KRK KNS 8400 headphones. This is to replace the cushions there on the headband. You can see if I've already sort of had the thing apart and not fully put back together yet. I've got the new ones just sort of sitting in place there. There's if you look at, see the end of the old one here, and the end of the old one here, they just sort of one end slides into, like, you know, this piece here, just that way, and then this way, and it'll sit there like that. And then the next step for putting this thing together, which was opposite of taking it apart, obviously, is I'm gonna snap this guy on here. And I say snap because there's these little points along this piece that I'll point to them. Here, 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 and then 4 more along this edge. And they just, they're just gonna snap and grab the edge of this piece on the new one, you know? So, yeah, so basically this piece and the new piece sandwich the headband. Okay, and then obviously you see the 4 screws sitting there, which came out of here, 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 and here. That should be all you need to know to get off and running. So yeah, it'll be great. You're off and running.